Are you ready to tap into the $1 trillion government contracting market? If you're in B2B, tech, or IT, this guide will show you exactly how to position your business for success. Hello, everyone. Today, I'm excited to share a step-by-step guide on how to set up your account on Sam.gov and win contracts that could transform your business. I've helped companies grow their sales, marketing, and growth for the past 20 years. I was also part of teams that landed 8- and 9-figure large government contracts, and I just want to share some of my tips with you today. Let's dive in. Start by accessing the Sam.gov dashboard. First, open your browser and head to Sam.gov. Click the Sign In button at the top right corner. You'll be redirected to Login.gov. If you don't already have a Login.gov account, don't worry. It's quick and easy to create one. Enter your email address. Confirm your email by clicking the verification link in your inbox. Create a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for added security. Once your Login.gov account is ready, return to Sam.gov and sign in. Begin your registration process on Sam.gov. After logging in, click on Register Your Entity from the main dashboard. You'll see a welcome message. Click Get Started. Before you begin, make sure you have the following information ready. Your Unique Entity Identifier, UEI. Don't have one yet? No problem. Sam.gov will guide you through the process of requesting it. Your Taxpayer Identification Number, TIN, which you can get from the IRS. Business details including your legal name, DBA if applicable, address, and contact information. Enter your core business information. Here's where you'll add your business details. Enter your legal business name exactly as registered with the IRS. Provide a physical address. P.O. boxes aren't allowed. If you already have a DUNS number, Sam.gov will automatically convert it to a UEI. If you're new, don't worry, Sam.gov will generate a UEI for you during registration. Next, you'll select your NAICS codes, which represent your industry and services. For tech and IT businesses, commonly used codes include 541511 for custom computer programming services, 541512 for computer systems design services, 541513 for IT managed services. Add your financial information. Now let's set up your financial details. Add your bank's routing number, and account type, checking or savings, to ensure you receive timely payments for contracts. Provide your TIN or EIN, employer identification number, and make sure your legal business name matches IRS records. Complete your assertions and certifications. Here's where you'll define your business status. Specify if your business qualifies as a small business under SBA guidelines. Indicate if you have any certifications, such as women-owned, minority-owned, or veteran-owned business. Review all your details and submit your registration. Before submitting, double-check all your information. Even small mistakes can delay the approval process. Once everything is accurate, click Submit Registration. Keep in mind, it may take a few days for your registration to be processed and approved. Explore the key features of your Sam.gov dashboard. After your account is approved, you'll gain access to key features. Use the Contract Opportunities section to search for contracts. You can filter by NAICS codes, keywords, or geographic areas to find opportunities that match your business. Save your searches for quick access later. Review past awarded contracts in the Contract Data section to understand pricing and competition. Build a strong capability statement to stand out. A capability statement is essential for success in government contracting. It should include your core competencies, a summary of your expertise, past performance, key projects or clients you've worked with. Differentiators, what makes you stand out from competitors. Contact information, including your business name, email, phone number, and Sam.gov registration details. Submit your first proposal and start competing for contracts. With your account live, you're ready to submit proposals. Use the Respond to Contract Opportunities feature to review contract requirements and tailor your proposals to meet specific government needs. And that's it. You're ready to get started. If you have questions or need expert guidance to set up your Sam.gov account, craft winning proposals, or scale your business, reach out to me directly. Together, we can create a strategy that positions your business for government contracting success. Let's win this together.